Hey YouTube, this is Sharp and Shiny here. I got a couple unpackagings. This is all some type of US silver or gold. But before I get into that, I wanted to just ask how your weekend was. Mine was pretty decent. The weather was nice. I actually went on a hike this weekend, which was pretty awesome. But back to the matter at hand. I don't know how I'm going to title this video, but I did want to show this off. Right? Nothing but a 1964 quarter, right? But this is absolutely free. And since I started stacking, I really started paying attention to my change. And I actually received this as change this morning at a convenience store. So that was pretty awesome to see. I had 2 quarters. I got 50 cents back change. And for a silver stacker, you can't really explain the sound, but it's unmistakable. When I heard the 2 coins hit each other, I was like, whoa, no, that's not regular old change. And sure enough, when I looked at it, there it was, 1964 quarter. I actually got this at face value. I got it as a quarter, for a quarter. So that was awesome. And I had a couple unpackagings. And so my first package, a couple more Franklin halves. For 10. So 10 Franklin halves. And these actually went on auction on eBay. And it was 5 American Eagles. I should be right at 15 Eagles for the year. So another 5 and I'll have a completed tube. And then I'll probably start finishing up my tube of Philharmonics. And a couple of these. Morgan dollars. I haven't really been getting those lately, but I do have a goal to fill a tube of these for the year, and I'm way behind. Alright, so got 3 more Morgan dollars. This one is a 1921. It's 1882. And this one is 1889. Oh, it looks like. And my last piece, I did say I had some gold, right? Oh. That it all counts, but it's a tiny one. There you go. Another 10th ounce American Gold Eagle. 2014. Alright. Just as an update, I guess, I just got an email from eBay, the second email in the week, where they're offering quadruple E-bucks. So sign up for them if you haven't already. I mean, at the end of the day, it is free. And there's my unboxings. 5 more Silver Eagles, 3 Morgan dollars, 10 Franklin halves, a free Washington quarter, and a 10th ounce Gold Eagle. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. You guys have a great day.